Again, my name is Ian Warner, and welcome to the Manitowoc Company's press conference and new product launch event at ConExpo 2017. Before I turn the microphone over to Barry, please note a detailed product-related information at Manitowoc's booth at ConExpo is available on the thumb drive, and by all means, after the press conference, if you would like to have one, please see me. And now I'd like to introduce you to our President and Chief Executive Officer of the Manitowoc Company, Barry Pennypacker.
Thank you. Thank you, Ian. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. I'd just like to take this opportunity to tell you how much we appreciate you coming to this event. As you probably are aware, we're a different company than what we were last year at this time. We are now a standalone crane company, which in the past we had a food service business that was part of the company that we spun off. So today we're showcasing what I believe is what an important part of our transition into being the world's leader in manufacturing and producing cranes that increase the return on invested capital for our suppliers and our customers. And you can see today that from around this booth, just from a very visual perspective, that we're a different crane company and we plan to treat our customers that way. At the heart of everything we do going forward, it'll be based on voice of customer. And voice of customer is extremely important to everything that we do, in that we want to develop products with our customers so that when their product is introduced, they buy it. And that is extremely important. I knew I didn't want these papers anyway. I'll go off script. But the voice of customer has to drive all of our behavior, because if the customer is telling us that they want something that lifts heavier loads and shorter booms and greaseless, and mean time between failure is increasing ever so importantly, we have to manage that, and we have to be a different company in order to do that. And I think you'll see from the products and services that we have around this booth and what we're going to be introducing today that we are absolutely a different crane company. It's important to note that there are 12 cranes on this site today. Of those 12 cranes, 8 of those cranes have been developed in the last 6 months. 8 have been developed in the last 6 months. The other 4 within the last year. So if you want to think about what the new philosophy is of the Manitowoc Crane Company, it is to develop products and services that our customers need in order for them to increase their return on invested capital and make us the first choice in their buying decision. So let me talk a little bit about what we're showcasing here for the first time in North America. Starting with our new all-terrain family of cranes. The GMK 5250L is one of the best performance and unmatched reach 5-axle cranes in the industry. Its little brother, the 250-ton unit, has 20% better charts and will continue to be developed and evolved into our customers' needs. In terms of rough terrains, we have the GRT 880. It's stronger, it's faster, it's more comfortable. And someone might say, more comfortable, what does that mean? Well, it means that when we talk to our customers, they want the interior of that cab to be something that people are proud of to sit in and can be comfortable from an overall environmental perspective, from an overall ergonomic perspective, and the cab that we've designed and implemented on the GRT 880 is a new concept in reaching creature comfort for our customers. Move on to the crawlers. Largest crawler. That 650 that you see over there has VPC Max. That crane was introduced the last ConExpo show. And I'm proud to say that in the 650 class, with the VPC and the Maxer, it is the best crane in its class. It has great transportation between jobs and really increases overall job site productivity as we go forward. You might also notice that on that crane, it has a different boom than the sister beside it. That boom is a 3.5 meter boom that we have developed, and it gives us the opportunity to increase the lifting capability of that crane by 30%. And now it can tackle jobs that a 1,000-ton crane is able to do. The 650 is already the best in class, and this 350, this 3.5 meter boom, will make it surpass all of its competition. The second crawler is the MLC 300. And as you can see from that crane, if you look at it very carefully, you would think it was the same crane that we introduced before with VPC Max, and it's not. It's a fixed counterweight machine. It's a fixed counterweight machine because when we listened to our customers, all of our customers didn't need all the features and benefits that come from a VPC Max. So we developed the same crane with fixed counterweight, which will give us a much more economical position in the industry and allow us to compete with a lot of the imports that we're currently competing against. It simplifies the lifts, it has great duty cycle applications, and our customers really wanted a more traditional machine. What are the most important benefits, though, of that MLC crane that you see over there, the fixed counterweight, is that we built it such that if you decide you wanted to have an economic entry into Manitowoc 300-ton crane, you can buy that one. If you decide a year from now that you'd like the features and benefits that come with a 3.5 meter boom, that come with a VPC Max, we have an aftermarket kit available that you'll be able to retrofit that crane. So great innovation coming out of this company, and I think you'll see as we go forward that it is the ultimate in a combo crane. It is absolutely has a higher reach, and I will tell you that it is absolutely spectacular, the development that we've made in a very short period of time. The last crane that I'll be highlighting is the national crane right behind me here, the NTC 55. This is another product that we developed from a voice of customer. It's an ultimate combo crane. It's a 2-in-1 crane. It's a 55 US ton boom truck and a 40-ton truck crane in one convenient model. It has higher reach, up to 34 feet more main boom than the 40-ton US ton truck crane, and there's no need to swing the jib. It has great value. We win both. You can win both 55 US ton truck jobs, as well as boom truck jobs, as well as 40 US ton truck crane jobs, with one economical solution. Another example of the new Manitowoc, listening to our customers and building innovation into our product development cycle. Last but not least, we have 3 tower cranes at this show. I'd like to highlight the MD 559 that's here on the show. It is top slewing with increasing productivity and has a substantial amount of new benefits that we built into the development. It has crane control system. The operator can collaborate the crane in 15 minutes in a new Ultra View cab for excellent ergonomics, as you can see. It has bigger lift and it's fast. The max load of 20 tons up with a winch speed of 197 feet per minute. It's simple, it's easy to assemble at a freestanding height of 267 feet. More standardized components for easier spare parts availability as we go forward in our development. Great job, team. Finally, we're getting to the point now where you can see behind you there are 2 cranes that are covered with tarps. These cranes are special because they really are a demonstration, not only to our customers, but the industry, that a Manitowoc crane company is on its way back. The crane that's behind you here, this TMS 9000-2, is a crane that I brought into being last February in a conference room in Shady Grove, Pennsylvania. I knew that in order for us to be the type of company that we needed to be, that we had to take our development cycle from a matter of 3 years to a matter of 6 months. I gathered 12 people in a conference room and I gave them very, very specific instructions on what I wanted to see this crane do. We brought in our customers to participate as team members. And I'm proud to say that this crane that you see behind you was developed in a matter of 6 months. The Manitowoc way that you hear me talk about is our development system, it's our production system, it's our customer satisfaction system. This particular crane is an excellent example of what lean product development can do when you have the right people in the right place doing the right things. This crane was designed and built very quickly in a matter of months, and the team that was involved with it did an absolutely excellent job. So without further delay, if you could turn around, I give you the Grove TMS 9000-2 truck crane.
Hello everyone, I'm Harrison Hipple, Truck Crane Product Manager. After extensive voice of the customer, we developed this crane using 3 key advantages. That being lighter, longer, and stronger. Lighter, the TMS 9000-2 is the lowest gross vehicle weight 4-axle truck crane in its class, resulting in easier transport to meet diverse roading regulations. Longer, the boom is 27 feet longer, but the gross vehicle weight is approximately 800 pounds lighter than its successful predecessor, and longer than competitive truck cranes in its class, providing the benefit, performing more lifts without the need to rig a swing away. Stronger, it has a stronger average load chart than its predecessor across all counterweight configurations from 0 to 48,500 pounds. And it is the strongest truck crane in its class. These 3 key advantages, as well as many other features, lead us to believe that it should be in everyone's fleet. I look forward to talking to you all this week about the TMS 9000-2. Now back to you, Barry.
As you can see, we have a new culture at Manitowoc, and our employees are focused on doing exactly what our customers want and making sure that we can do it economically while also taking care of our shareholders. Now I've got another surprise for you this morning as well. By implementing the Manitowoc Way, we were able to develop another crane in 6 months. This crane is going to be the best in its class and will continue to show that the development process here at the Manitowoc Company is alive and well. Grove has been a lone leader for a very long time. We've lost our way, but we're back. And we're back stronger than we ever been in the past. This crane will show that the features and benefits that our customers want, the appearance that our customers need in order to be competitive, have been incorporated into this particular development. So we're continuing our evolution of this company, of the GRT line, with the all-new Grove 655L.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul Cutshall, Rough Terrain Product Manager at Manitowoc. We have designed the Grove GRT 655L to be longer, stronger, and faster than any other rough terrain in this class. Longer. The GRT 655L main boom is 36 feet longer than its successful predecessor and 27.3 foot longer than any competitive RT in its class. That simply means that the GRT 655L can compete with larger cranes for better rental rate returns. Stronger. The GRT 655L boasts the best hoist line pull in its class, equating to less parts of line required to pick the same exact load as competing cranes. Faster. With less parts of line needed, you can take advantage of faster hook speeds to get the job done more efficiently. I look forward to talking to you all this week about how the GRT 655L will make you more productive on the job site. Back to you, Barry.
Thank you. I think the example that you've seen with the 655L is a crane, again, that was developed in 6 months that should show everyone that the Grove Manufacturing Company is back and will continue to be back. We have several new products that we've shown you. It's an exciting time for our company. We're in the process of transforming it every single day to make sure that we are taking care of the 3 key stakeholders in our organization. Those starting off with our customers coming to us because they believe that we have a better value product for their overall system that they need in order to in turn return their capital the way they need to. Our shareholders, who we thank for giving us the resources that are necessary to invest in this product. We continue to invest in research and development, and we will continue as we transform this company into one that's an innovation leader. And our last key stakeholder are our employees. And we ask our employees to provide the commitment that's necessary to satisfy our shareholders as well as our customers. This key triangle, with the center of it being innovation and velocity, I think is alive and well at the Manitowoc Crane Company. And I just would be remiss if I didn't take an opportunity to thank all the people, all of our employees who have worked countless hours setting up this show, getting it ready, being here till all hours of the morning, shining these things up after a very terrible dust storm that hit the show the other day, and also the amount of effort that they put in order to develop these cranes and put forth a better effort here than we ever have in the past. We're a new company. We're transitioning it into a world leader, and I think we finally have the opportunity to show the world that the Manitowoc Crane Company is alive and well and back and independent, and all plans in the world are for it to stay independent. Thank you very much for your interest, and we'll see you soon. Take care.